Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here for the Decorating with Wildflowers collaboration. Here are the participating channels. Be sure to check out these channels and all the other participating channels. They'll all be listed below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. My husband Alan was so kind to help me pick out these beautiful wildflowers at Michael's. We had a really good time shopping around and looking at all of the beautiful home decor. These are the lovely flowers that we ended up choosing for this collaboration today. I'm going to use a glass vase and I want to put something in the bottom. So I'm going to use these woven wicker balls and then I'm going to stick the flower stems right through the wicker balls. I've trimmed off the stems and I'm going to trim them all about the same length. And that way I can just put them right in and these will hold really nicely in place in this beautiful glass vase. I always keep wire cutters with my craft supplies for cutting artificial flower stems. I'll cut one of the stems to size and then I'll just use the bottom of that stem and hold it up, and that's the way I'll measure the rest of the flower stems so that they'll be all cut nicely about the same length. Wildflowers are so natural, so I'm going with a natural theme of burlap ribbon on this bow. I'll attach it right to the front of the vase. In keeping with the natural theme, I'm going to add 2 natural woven placemats to the table. These napkins in yellow and a natural color will be perfect with our theme today. I'm going to be adding plates with a beautiful wildflower design. These plates are so beautiful and they coordinate so nicely with this napkin. I'm fixing a special dinner this evening. My husband Alan and I are celebrating our engagement anniversary. That was many, many years ago. And now for the beautiful wildflowers. This will be the perfect centerpiece for our dinner this evening. And to tie it all in, I'm going to add a few more of these wicker balls just right around the bottom. And this is how our table turned out. It'll be the perfect, beautiful table setting for a wonderful evening. It is so simple and so elegant. I am so happy you were here. I had such a wonderful time decorating with these beautiful wildflowers. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out all the other participating channels. They'll all be listed below. And I'll see you next time.